welcome to my channel, Elo for Life. And today I just want to do an initial review on Elva Wigs, or Elva. It is an Aliexpress company, and I did order a full lace wig from them probably about 2 weeks ago. And I wanted to do an on-camera initial review. I will not be styling today, but I will be doing a video on me styling the wig. So with that being said, it came in a DHL bag, of course. Y'all know from Aliexpress you get these DHL bags. And inside the bag came an Elva pamphlet. I'm pretty sure y'all probably seen this on YouTube. It's just the initial template with a bunch of different wigs that they offer and how to care for their wigs, human hair wigs. So, and then they give you their contact information on the back of the pamphlet. The wig that I got, I will be putting a picture somewhere in here so you'll know the actual wig that I bought. And I can't remember the cost. I think it was only maybe about $110. I think this is a 16-inch, but I will put that in this frame somewhere so that you'll know exactly the inch and how much I did purchase it for. And they have this happy friendship forever, whatever type of piece of paper. But in the package, you do get a weaving cap, fashion cap. I pretty much don't have any use for these whatsoever. I don't use them, and I don't know what I just don't use them. So. And then you also get a elastic band so that you can, because this is a full lace wig, so that it will sit properly on your head. They don't put it on the wig, so you will have to measure it and put it on and sew it on yourself, which is fine by me because you have the option of just snipping off how much you'll need as far as your elastic band. So to each his own, everybody wears a different length. And everybody has a different comfort of how tight they want their wigs to be. So, the wig that I got, it does come into a little plastic bag. As typical from an Aliexpress store. Well, some of them do have boxes, so I'll take that back. And I just wanted something very affordable. Something really cheap. And I do call these cheap wigs. And they are. Because you're not going to get a year out of these wigs. You wear these wigs all the time. You're not going to get a year out of these types of wigs. But the hair that I got is a, it's not a deep wave, more like a body wave type of wig. And you can see that right here. Let me see if I can try to bring it back. So this is I did say this was like a 16-inch. I will put this on in a minute. So, in the wig itself, it does come with 2 combs, 1 comb on each side and a comb in the middle. And then you also have your comb in the back with the Elva tag. And then it is an adjustable strap because it is a full wig. So, you do need to have some adjustable straps. And this is a natural color. So, the hairline itself is supposed to be pre-plucked, I believe. And let me show this up close to you guys and what the hairline looks like. I don't know if you can see that, but hold on. I'm trying to get it on here real good so you can see how the hairline looks. That's how the hairline looks. I think this is like a light brown. This is not transparent lace, but it's maybe it's medium brown lace. So let's see if I can get this closer. Can you guys see that? I wish I had my little water bottle. That way you could actually see. So this is something I'm probably going to have to pre-pluck some more. And it really depends on how thin you want around your edges to be, how thin you want your hairline to be. But as far as it looks pretty full, this is 180% density hair. This is what 180% looks like. Now, when it first came out the pack, I was a little skeptical. I thought this may be maybe more like 150% density wig. And I do like my wigs full. But once you start brushing it out, you can definitely see how full the wig is itself. So I am going to try this on the way that it is, as it is coming out of the package itself. The hair I have in my hair today is my Kinky Curly from Aliexpress.com. If you are interested, you can go out to the website, Aliexpress.com. And I make wigs for people as well. And this is a full wig without a closure or a frontal. I did do a video on that. So I will also put that below, or I'll probably put it somewhere at the end of this video, whatever and whatnot. But I've been sporting this for a couple of weeks, 2-3 weeks. And I absolutely love it. It's very soft. So if you are looking for some summer hair, something that's low maintenance, because this is low maintenance, kinky curly hair, then, you know, you can always go out and purchase some curly hair. Because it's the summer months. It's coming, right? So let me go ahead and take this off for you guys. Take this off. Yes, you guys are seeing my braids. And I'm going to put this on. Let me go ahead and put the adjustable strap on this real quick. Now, what I don't like about this, and now this is what they did do. I see what they did already. I don't like. They went ahead and, you know, see the comb back here? See that comb? They went and covered up the like 3 of these little hooks, because I like my stuff tight, and maybe that's the reason for that elastic band. They went and sewed on that. I don't like that. They should not have done that at all. They should have sewed that up a little bit more so that they weren't covering those 3 little notches. But anyway, it is what it is. So I'm going to go ahead and put it further in as much as I can, even though I can't put it in as far as I want it to go. And let me just put it on this little notch so you guys can see how this look right out the gate. Okay, let me put this wig on for y'all. Get a little closer. So maybe you can see the hairline a little better now that I have this on. So that's what the hairline is looking like, y'all, like that. I don't look that. I know I'm going to have to do some work on the headline, but just trying to wear it straight out of the package, that ain't going to work. Yeah, that's how that looks. And this is, I think this is a 13 by 6 or 4. I'm not sure, but I want you guys to see the parting space on this. I'll take that back. It's not a lace front. It is a full lace. So I don't know what I'm talking about. But I don't know if I'm going to dye this or not. I might leave it natural for my update video. Then I may come back and dye it and do another update video just to let you guys know how well it took. But yeah. And like I said, because this is a full lace wig, you can part it any way you want. There's no tracks in here. No, there's none tracks in here whatsoever. So you can part this all over the place. If you want to do a style with it going up like this and put your little glue on, you can do that. I don't think I'm going to need to cut around here. It doesn't look like I'm going to need a cut. Or maybe just a little bit. Put that on there. Yeah, probably just a little bit. Cut around there. And then you got your little, you got a little bit of lace in the back. I don't know if you guys can see that. You got a little lace in the back down there. So if you wanted to sew this on, you could. Which I know I don't glue and I don't sew on no wigs because I like to take my wigs off every day, and y'all know that. I didn't told y'all that in all my videos. So this is how the wig is looking initially out of the box without doing anything to it. Let me get my comb really quick. So I got my comb. I'm just gonna brush through this. This is where that 16 inches coming up on me. So y'all see that? This is where the 16 inches coming on me, right above my, right down to my nipples, pretty much. And it's full, I guess, when you are brushing out this way. Maybe if you wore it straight, it'd look a little thinner. But yeah, I'm not getting any shedding. I don't know why we always do this. You see how much shedding we getting from these hair companies that we purchase from. But this is how it initially looks, you guys. So this is maybe, what is this, a body wave? And it's very, it looks full on camera. So the way that I'm looking at it on camera, it looks good. It looks full on camera. Oops. And I'm not sure how I'm going to style it yet. I probably do something simple, but I do want this to lay. I want it to blend really good. And I will do a video on how I do my wigs. So with that being said, I've been brushing and brushing. Okay, I just got like a little bit, but I'm telling you, when you brush hair, brush wigs, whatever, you're going to get a little bit of shedding, okay? That's just inevitable. I mean, our own hair sheds. So people shouldn't be like, oh, it sheds. If it's shedding like a dang on banshee, like a dang on sheet, that's when you have problems with your unit. But you get like just a couple of strands, that's just what it is. I'm going to have to wash this too. Probably going to co-wash this. But yeah. So stay tuned to my next video on me trying to slay this wig out for you guys. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And I'll still come to you all and provide you a whole lot of content. So if you guys have any questions, or is there something you guys want me to try whatsoever, go ahead and comment that below. I'm always looking to try new things, but I'm not going to try no hair glue. I don't know. Maybe one day I will, but I just don't. I just do not want that crap on my head. I don't run it around my edges. Because I'm starting to see these females out here doing that. And they forehead is so lighter than the rest of their hair. And then it looks like sometimes their hairline is starting to recede. I ain't trying to lose my edges. I know they say you're supposed to take it out with precaution. And you're supposed to use the right stuff to take it out. But, you know, I like my hair to breathe. And I like my hair to breathe at night. So I take my wigs off when I get home from work. I do not be sporting them out all day, sleeping in them and stuff like that. I just don't do it. I like to breathe. But this is the initial boxing of Elva Wigs. And stay tuned to my next video, you guys. So, till then, God bless and see you later.